Which of the following has become the India's first railway station to have sanitary napkin vending machine? It's Bhopal railway station. Indian Railway will publish a new magazine in all regional language. The name of that magazine is Rail Bandhu. The first ever Indian Railway Human Resources Roundtable Conference has started in which city? It's New Delhi. Kachiguda railway station has declared the India's first energy efficient A1 category railway station. It is situated in which city? Hyderabad. India's first ever railway disaster management center will come up in which city? Bengaluru.